Hello everybody, welcome on today's video on how to buy the Quant token on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Coinbase account, and after that we will click on the buy and sell option on the right top corner. Just click on it and now the purchasing overview will be opened for us. We can fill in the amount of euros we would like to use for this purchase. I'm using 100 euros, and you can select also the purchasing frequency. Just click on it if you would like to buy them daily, weekly, twice a month or monthly. Select it in this list, and after that we can select the coin we would like to buy. As you know, we would like to buy the Quant token. Just tick in QNT, and there it is. Select it, and as you can see, I'm using my MasterCard as a payment method, but if you would like to change this, just click on it, or you would like to add a new payment, also click on this. And as you can see, there are a lot of payment methods in my account available. If you don't see any options, just make sure your Coinbase account is verified, and after that you can add a payment method by clicking this button below. For now, we will head over to review order, and they will show us some information about the purchase. As you can see, I'm spending 100 euros and I don't pay any Coinbase fees. That is because I have a Coinbase One subscription, and that will save a lot of costs in the fees on Coinbase. Once you start buying the crypto daily, then make sure you start a subscription on Coinbase One. That will save you a lot of money. To start investing weekly, you can select this button below. As you can see, the invest weekly option, and then you will start spending 100 euros on this coin every week. Perfectly for compounding. As you can see, you can cancel it at any time, and once you've decided you would like to buy these coins, just click on buy now and they will be added directly to your Coinbase account. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.